Welcome to our Be Prepared channel on YouTube. Today's topic is smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This video will focus on the basics, while another upcoming video will focus on advanced detector topics. First off, let's cover some sobering facts about residential fires. About half of home fires and more than half of home fire deaths occur during the colder 5 months of the year. On average, home fires kill 7 people every day of the year. Studies have shown that families have less than 3 minutes from the time the first smoke alarm goes off to safely escape a home fire. Bedtime hours, from 11 to 7 in the morning, are the times that most home fire deaths occur. Not having a smoke alarm in the home, or the smoke alarms not working due to dead or missing battery, contribute to 62% of home fire deaths. As you can see, there are still a disturbing number of homes with no smoke alarms, or with smoke alarms that don't operate when they are supposed to. And finally, where smoke alarms did not operate, an amazing 50% had missing or disconnected batteries, with 23% of those situations being due to dead batteries. How often does the smoke alarm's battery need to be replaced? If the detectors have a 9-volt alkaline battery, you are supposed to replace the battery every year. Choosing one of the daylight savings dates to do this is recommended. If your smoke detector has a 10-year sealed battery, then you just need to replace the whole unit every 10 years. Please keep in mind that, for hardwired smoke alarms, the battery is there as a backup in case the AC power goes off, as in a blackout. If a battery is dead or missing, and there is no electricity in the building, you have no smoke alarm. Do smoke detectors need any maintenance? Yes. 2 things here. At least once a year you should vacuum the smoke alarm openings to remove dust and cobwebs. Monthly, you should test each detector by pressing the test button on the unit. In closing, let's do a quick review. Replace your smoke alarm with a brand new one every 10 years. Replace your carbon monoxide detector every 5 years. Replace your smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector 9-volt battery every year, unless it is a 10-year lithium battery. At least once a year you should vacuum the smoke alarm openings to remove dust and cobwebs. Test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors monthly. Finally, never remove the battery from your smoke or carbon monoxide alarms to silence them. Just replace the battery. Thank you for spending some time with us to go over some critical information about smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. Our next video on this topic will go over advanced detector topics like what to do in your laundry room, how to alert family members who may have a hearing challenge or other disability that prevents them from responding to typical smoke and carbon monoxide detectors when they go off. Until then, be prepared.